Turbocharged gasoline engines have emerged over the past decade as a global powertrain of choice. They enable low emissions and better fuel economy, while providing increased fun to drive for the end customer. As turbo gasoline platforms grow to millions of units per year, Garrett is developing innovative technologies to enable them to evolve and meet the next round of environmental targets in Asia, Europe, and North America. New valve timing and combustion phasing strategies, such as Miller-Atkinson, are being combined with variable nozzle turbochargers to help deliver exceptional CO2 results. Generation 4 mono and multi-scroll aerodynamics are pushing specific performance towards 160 kilowatts per liter, while the inventive mild hybridization has enabled electric compressors and electrically assisted turbos to help provide the next boost to performance, efficiency, and emission. Be it for class-leading fuel economy, mainstream or high-performance engines, Garrett has built an engineering capability, supply base, and manufacturing footprint that stands uniquely positioned to innovate, manufacture, and deliver unrivaled products and services around the globe.